Why all over the world the patients just want to visit Turkey for hair transplant? It's, I think, the quality. Yes, it's affordable as well, but I think the quality is most important because it's your health, it's your appearance, so you need to decide in the best way for that.
Turkish surgeons are now operated thousands of patients, so they are very well experienced and also very well educated in this field. So Turkey is where you can get the best possible result if you find the right clinic.
In Turkey there are so many clinics that you can see, but the most important thing is they are accredited or not. Smile is one of the best accredited clinics in Turkey for so long time, and we are receiving so many patients from all over the world. We are the doctor clinic with the Ministry of Health accreditation and also the international accreditations like ISHRS, which most of the surgeons all over the world is a part of.
We have the most doctor number participating in surgeries, maybe all around the world. We have now 8 operating doctors. We are trying to set the basic ethic rules. Every month we train our team about any topic on the hair transplant. We don't care if they already know or they take it once. We want to emphasize them how to perform the best practice. We are patient-oriented and really care about perfection.
It's a big operation. We are receiving patients 24 hours from the airport. We bring it here. There is a patient experience team which follows the patient 1 year for that. So it's a big facility. Not just we are doing the hair transplantation, but also we are giving hospitality in our clinic.
I want my patients to be happy about their result. That's what drives me, and this is the most important thing for us. We want to help you through your hair transplant process, so do not hesitate to contact us, please.